pieces, we are going to sew the shoulder together. So the right sides are facing up. What we're doing, and I love this, I'm calling it the braided seam, and we are going to go through each of these stitches. These are going to be showing. So since our yarn is already through the front piece, we are first going to go through the back. Instead of going through the outer edge right here, we are going to go through the stitches on our last row because we don't want our outer edge to show on the back. We want a really nice, clean, braided look. So we are going to go through our first stitch right here. That's on the last row we knitted. Then we're going to go through the front piece, through the outer edge or the braid. I'm going to start calling it the braid so we don't get confused. And now we are going to go through our next braid. And then we go to the back piece through the next stitch. And then you're going to go through the same braid on the front piece. And then we're going to go through our next braid. Then we go to the back to the next stitch. And then go through the same braid on the front. And there you go. So on our top piece, you are always going to go through the outer edge where the braid is. And then on our back piece, you go through the last stitch. And then back into this braid on our front piece, okay? And this is what it's going to look like. Isn't it pretty? I love it. Don't do this too tight, Kay. It doesn't need to be tight. Follow me on Instagram and share your picture on there with me. My name is the iKNITS. And there you go. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know in the comments below what you want to see next.